Hey class, welcome to the discussion forum tutorial. Just real quick, by the time you get to this area, you probably be seeing my email, my announcement, and my introduction post in DQ1 here. Um, so this tutorial is going to go over answering these two. This DQ means discussion question. Topic one also means week one, because if you look down here, it says also topic two, which is also week two. Now, to save some confusion so you're not really confused, because this can be 2 weeks out, you can click on the 1 week out feature and you'll only see 1 week here. And then right here is where you'll toggle through the different weeks as you go. Okay, so week one, you have DQ1, which is a discussion question assignment due by Wednesday. DQ2 is the second discussion question due by Friday. If you want to answer earlier than those days, it's fine. If you happen to be late this first week, I'm fine because I know there's a lot going on. I want you to have fun on campus. I want you to have, it's your first time probably on campus, either living in the dorms or coming to campus. I want you to enjoy the festivities that you'll see around and all the different things that are going on. But just make sure you are submitting these. Try to be on time this first week. All right. Don't worry about these two assignments down here or these three. I'm going to go over those in different tutorials. But right here, DQ1 and DQ2 are assignments. The class introduction is basically like an icebreaker. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in here. Sorry if mine looks a little different than yours, but once you go into here, you're going to answer this question. You introduce yourself. What are you excited about learning? What do you think is going to be most challenging? You could just click on reply, and then you would type your introduction here, what you want us to know, and kind of answer the question accordingly. If you want to go back out after you're done, just click on calendar. It takes you back to that 2 week calendar, but you can always keep it to 1 week if you want to. Um, you could also click on discussion forum here, like I probably showed you before, and you can toggle between the DQs each week. It's easier to kind of keep it organized so you know where you're at, which is week one. So when you're ready to answer this discussion question, you can come here. And like I said, you might not have that extra step. I don't know, but you should see my posts here when it comes to my announcement. You'll probably see the second post below it. But when you're ready to answer this question, basically you're going to click on DQ1 and you can preview it. You can come here and read what the question says. Um, and it's a very basic question to answer. You probably should, I always tell students 75 to 100 words, if you could, on your discussion question. It's really beneficial to answer in multiple sentences and paragraph form and be thorough. There's no way to really answer a question in just one sentence or two. You know that from high school, same thing in college. Just elaborate a little bit more, use specific examples. But when you're ready to submit your answer to this question, you'll click reply, okay? And then you'll start a new thread right here. Should have your name on it. Mine has the graduation cap, as you see, and then you'll just start typing your answer, okay? Now there is no word count on here, so what I tell a lot of students, what you can do is open up a Word document, and then when you're done typing your answer, you can see the word count. You can see there's misspelled words. And then when you're ready, you can copy and paste it in here. Do not, and I repeat, do not attach documents in a discussion forum. They got to be typed out here in this text box, okay? So that's what you'll do for your first DQ, for your first discussion question assignment. And remember, you'll have also a chance to look at DQ2 as well to see what you're looking to answer. Now, when you look at this one, sometimes in this discussion questions, it'll tell you where to go. It'll say, read the article, Crux of Time Management for Students Located in Topic 1 Resources. There's a tutorial that's going to show you how to get to the resources. It's a post below this one, probably, but you'll see it somewhere in here in the midst of all these tutorials to help you out. and then you'll read it and you'll come back and you'll answer these questions. How does procrastination affect your time management, and what plans do you have to be proactive in completing work and meeting deadlines? And again, you'll click reply. You'll see your classmates' answers down here probably. I usually do tutorials in week one, DQ1 and DQ2. So if you don't see anything right here, right now, don't worry about it. This is my first time in Halo and I'm just creating tutorials, okay? So good luck. Hopefully this helped on how to answer DQ1 and 2.